Stop the press. It was just hours ago that I posted on the community tab about the fall through of the June 25th date on the Best Buy website and other websites for the Nintendo Switch port of Terraria. Well, guess what? Maybe my post triggered it, probably not, but at any rate, the developers have released news about the Terraria port for Nintendo Switch, and it is good news. They write, "Greetings Terrarians from around the world. We are ecstatic to announce that Terraria will be launching on Nintendo Switch on Thursday, June 27th. You read that correctly. Terraria Switch will be live to the world for digital download in 2 days. We love our fans, and since the game is ready, we figured we would just get it into your hands as soon as possible. It will take us a bit more time to get out the physical retail version, but until then, we hope you will enjoy the full game available for download via Nintendo eShop. For those Terrarians reading this and approaching the emotional equivalent of bliss, please come share your love on our social communities on Discord, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Reddit, Twitch, YouTube, Steam, the forums, and everywhere else. We can't wait to read your gleeful reactions. They provide us the sustenance we need to push out updates." And they carried on, "To celebrate the Nintendo Switch launch, we are going to be hosting daily events for prizes on Discord. You can also find us on all major social media hubs and even hanging around on Twitch, dropping in on streams to spotlight content creators. And this is only the beginning. Stay tuned to our social media channels throughout the coming weeks so you can join in on all the epicness. You are also invited to join us tomorrow, Wednesday, June 26th at noon Pacific time for an Ask Me Anything with Terraria Switch developer Pipeworks Studios, where we will discuss all things Switch. You can join the live Q&A at discord.gg/Terraria. Tell your friends, tell your family, tell your pets, tell that guy walking down the street. Terraria is coming to Switch this week." And that was the press release. So that was a surprise. I'd honestly not expected anything quite yet. They did post earlier today about the 50% off sale on the Steam summer sale for Terraria on PC, and I made a brief video about that. Some of you may have already seen it. And so I really wasn't expecting any more news today, but this is certainly even bigger news, right? It's for a very popular console. It's going to bring in brand new control schemes with the Switch's touchscreen when it's undocked. And all in all, I'm expecting big things from the Switch port of Terraria. I just think it's a system that's practically tailor-made for the game, and the fact that the game itself is a throwback to a lot of the old Nintendo-style side-scrollers makes it all the more fitting to see it coming to a Nintendo mainline console like the Switch. So that's excellent. The one question mark, of course, is how much is it going to cost? I guess we'll find out in the next couple of days. I made a comment in my other video from today that there is a Switch Premium a lot of the time. I don't know whether that'll be the case here. When I ordered Hollow Knight, I was pleasantly surprised by how affordable it was. They didn't seem to impose any kind of Switch tax. But it remains to be seen whether Terraria for the Switch has any mild premium attached to it. Certainly they've added some touchscreen features, and so it's got some unique stuff to it that will cost development time, and maybe they pass the cost along to us, maybe not. At any rate, that's pretty much it. High hopes for this port, as I said. Looks like they're going to be having events, so they're really supporting this launch. And I'm guessing that this may be what pushes the lifetime sales of Terraria over 30 million. Last we heard, there were in excess of 27 million copies of Terraria sold. Obviously, not all Switches are going to get Terraria, but between continued sales on the pre-existing platforms, new interest from Mobile 1.3 that's coming up, new interest from Journey's End, which is on the way, and then, of course, the Switch port, I really do think we're going to crack 30 million, and really that's a huge milestone. It's on par with one of these monolithic games like Skyrim It'll never be Minecraft, of course. Minecraft is kind of in a league of its own, but certainly this is in rarefied air. It's in Hall of Fame land in terms of lifetime sales. So good work, Pipeworks. Good work, Relogic. But that's pretty much it. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned and keep an eye on their official Twitter, because it looks like more news will be coming out soon for the Nintendo Switch port of Terraria. Take care, everyone.